Okay, what's up? I'm going to be talking about just the basic, editing, saving, um, running, and compiling of your Java code. So, first things first, if you're going to be saving the file, you got to have a place to do so. So, part of Visual Studio is you need to have a folder um, where you're going to store all your Java projects, right? I keep mine in documents and I just have it called Java Peas. And I would say for ease of access, you're going to want to keep the folder where you house the Java files as hierarchically high as you can. So I went from documents straight into, I just have a folder called Java Peas. So select that folder. Boom. So now we're in Java Peas and we're accessing it through Visual Studio. So let's make a Java file. So boom. So I've just pressed this new file and you can see the location there. It's got, Java Peas at the end. So let's call it fun.java. Do not forget to put .java at the end of these Java file names, or else it will kind of just save as a text file. So, okay, so I've got this, and in order for me to do some basic um, functions with this code, I'm going to want to add this public static void business. And that's another kind of locational thing. Well, I guess it's kind of more related to inside the code where it is hierarchically. So this is a public uh, class, and uh, yeah. All right. So let's edit this code some more. Let's make this code say goodbye world. Let's do that. So we're going to use system. Well, I guess goodbye world is a little morbid. Let's say um, hello Earth. Boom. And okay. So whenever you're adding stuff to the code, you're going to want to save as you go. Um, and the way that I like to save is just by pressing Control S. So as you can see right here, I've got a little you haven't saved it button, or you haven't saved it circle. And so I'm going to press Control S and boom, it's gone. Um, I think you can also manually, let me see again. Oh, not there. Um, you can do file save, I'm sure. Yeah, save. Okay, so now we saved it. And so part of running the file is making sure that there are no errors or it's not going to cause the anything harmful to happen. And so to check for that, we are going to compile. And there is two ways you can run the code. I like to use the terminal, but you can also just press this. But first, let's compile it. And so as you can see, as I've been doing in the past, I have Java video. But to compile, you're gonna do Java and then C, like compile. So Java compile, and then you're just gonna do your file name, including the Java part. Boom. All right. So as you can see, we just created a class. I'm not fully sure what a class is actually for, but if it has a class, then it's been compiled, so you can be happy with that. Okay, so now we've compiled it, and let's go back to the terminal, and we're going to run it. So Java and then file name. Hello Earth. Okay, so we just ran the code, and yeah, now we're feeling good about ourselves. Now let's say I make a slight change, and now let's save it, Control S. And instead of having to type all this out in the terminal, I can just press the up arrow on my keyboard, and it will go back to the most recent terminal command that you ran. So I could go up another one and do Java C, but I just want to do Java for now, so let's just do Java and run it again. We got hello ETH. So yeah, that's kind of just a basic overview of using the Visual Studio's interface and kind of keeping things easy to use. And yeah, thank you.